switched spots from the dam, and we're here in this shoreline fishing. We got Shore, we got Tommy, we got Daddy, we got Curtis, and we're just fishing. So, yeah.
Ready? Nope. Get.
Yeah!
Nice one, buddy.
Yours.
No, it was mine.
First fish of the day.
There we go.
Only took us an hour and a half.
Wow, good job, Kurt. Well, you haven't caught a fish this year. Wow.
Bring it out.
Just take a picture.
Our first wildlife.
Second.
Wildlife. It's a snake
Okay,
in
come
the
up.
water, under the house.
Is it a rattler?
No.
See its stream.
It's right. Here it comes.
Yeah, he's got a fish.
Get it. Bingo.
That's two.
That's two for Daddy.
That's two.
Look at that beauty.
I want to hold it. Can I hold it?
Look at that beauty.
So what happens when you have a fish in the water? When you have a hook in the water, right?
He got that on a rubber worm.
He choked it.
He swallowed that.
Ouch. Bad man. He just bit me.
Alright, we're here. We're gonna move spots. We're going to Twin Coves. We caught two fish here. It was in 2 hours, so we're moving. Alright guys, so what we have here, we're gonna do a little catch and cook today, since we only have a short video. And we found this fish.
We didn't find it.
We caught this fish and then it was slowly dying. So we kept it and now we're cooking. Yeah. So our dad caught the fish and he set the hook a little hard. So it started internally bleeding and then it tried to swim away, but it floated.
Bit me.
So we took it and now we're cutting it.
Is this on recording or what?
What do you think?
We're cutting it.
Have a camera on your
Yeah,
face.
Well, yeah. Yep. That's how the hang comes down.
Kill fish, eat them.
Weird stuff, huh?
You want Roxy?
No, actually not.
Rock me, mama, like a working girl. Get him, Roxy. Dunk her in.
I'm gonna have a water jar better.
Alright, so we're over to our grill. We've got 2 burners on. I think that's all we're going to need. I'm going to place it long ways. Make sure she's all tight. And then she's good. Let her sit for about 20 minutes or so. Catch you in a while. Maybe. I don't know. Probably be about that. So, yep, she's done. Okie dokie.
Alright guys, right now we're peeling back the skin of the fish. And yeah. There's the delicious meat.